Are you struggling with push notifications not working after updating to Firebase 4.0? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue, and today we're going to help you troubleshoot it step by step. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you send a message from the Firebase console and nothing happens on your device. It feels like you're doing everything right, but something is just off. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently updated their pods to Firebase 4.0 and followed the suggested changes. They took the FCM token and sent a message from the Firebase console, but nothing showed up on their device. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be going wrong? There are a few common culprits when it comes to push notifications not working. It could be an issue with the FCM token, the app's notification settings, or even the way the message is being sent. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that could save you a lot of headaches in the future. First, the user should ensure that they have correctly configured Firebase Cloud messaging in their project. This includes checking the Firebase console for the correct API key and sender ID. Next, the user needs to confirm that they have registered for remote notifications in their app. This is done in the app delegate by calling the appropriate methods for iOS 10 and above. After that, the user should check if the FCM token is being generated correctly. They can do this by printing the token in the console after registration. Finally, the user should ensure that the device is receiving notifications. They can test this by sending a message from the Firebase console and checking the device logs for any errors. Fun fact, did you know that push notifications were first introduced in 2009? They've come a long way since then, but the struggle to get them working can still feel like a time warp. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found that their push notifications weren't working because they were using a P8 file for sending notifications, but they hadn't enabled the Apple Push Notifications Service, or APNs, under that file. Once they enabled it, everything started working perfectly. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always log your FCM token and any errors you encounter. This will help you troubleshoot issues much faster in the future. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to get your push notifications working again. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And remember, regular checks can save you from future headaches.